Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're having an amazing day today. This is a blank I made with that new chrome powder by Resin. I also got some blues in there, some blue greens. So let's get this turned so we can check it out. I did have a piece of wood sitting here. Well, this is the same piece of wood, but I was tired of it being all just plain, and every time I went to wipe it off, you know, I'd got a couple splinters. So I painted it black. I put this stencil on here and spray painted it and highlighted it a little bit. Then I did some two-step crackle over it. Then I poured some tabletop epoxy on it from Bondcraftor. So sweet. Now it's a fun little workspace. Okay guys, let's turn this. It flung everywhere. Looks like birthday confetti. Ooh, I think this is gonna be beautiful. I made this blank using Lathe's Resin 1:1. But I used all different kinds of colors. You know, I used their new chrome powder. I used some of the Mica powder. I'm not sure if I have any just plain pigment in here. I think I'm gonna keep this one a little fat. And I'm gonna start sanding it just like that. So let me get my mess cleaned up. So pretty. Okay guys, let's get to sanding this. This pen mandrel saver, if you don't have one, man, you need to get one. You talk about handy. Very handy. Very awesome. I'm gonna skip through all these grits, so you don't have to sit and watch all that, but then I'll get back to you when I'm at that final amazing part. See you soon. Okay guys, I'm up to 4,000 grit. Let's finish this up with these micro mesh pads. I painted my nails, and of course I already got a mark on it. I can never have fingernail polish on my nails last. I mean, they were silver when I started this video. That's what happens though. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Okay, up to 6,000. Okay, this is 8,000. Okay, this is the 12,000 grit. I wonder how often I need to buy these little pads because I really like them. They're really handy. It was Todd, LJ Woodworks, that used them, and that's why I got them. You know, if you're making your own blanks, experiment with the colors. You might find something that's just amazing that blows you away, you know? Just gorgeous. Okay, on to the polishing. Step 1 of the micro magic. Now get a piece of the clean and get that wiped off. Very beautiful. Step 2. I'm gonna be trying different polishes. And if you wonder why, I'm gonna do another bullet pen because I bought a lot of them and I've already given them all away. So, I enjoy making them, and I do have some other pen kits I'm gonna work on. Strong Inks pen kits should be here anytime that they sent me. Very beautiful pen. Oh, look at that. These are just blanks I made myself, you know? Make sure you check out that video where the video with the tray with the horse on it, because I am pouring a pen blank. It's easy, and you guys, you can pour your own pen blank. You know, there's lots of videos of pen blanks. I don't have a pressure pot, so I just use my vacuum chamber. I mix up my resin. I put my mica powders in my resin, mix them up really good so there's no pieces or anything floating around. Then I put that in my vacuum chamber. Get all the micro bubbles out. Then I let it sit for a while. And then I get it in the mold. Very simple. You can use whatever colors you want. Do a little swirly swirl. And you just have something amazing. Okay, let's put this together. Whoa. tightened on there. Boom. Done. Let's check it out. I gotta stand up here on my stool so I can show you. Isn't that gorgeous? What a beautiful pen. I hope it stays focused. It's really irritating. But yeah, there's that, guys. Sweet. Anyway, that's great. Hope you guys like that pen. It's so stunning. I hope you have an extraordinary day. If you guys like that new white chrome powder from Lathe Resin, there's a link in my description so you can check it out. And go make some beautiful pens. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have an extraordinary day. Bye, guys.